Hello, welcome back to the channel. You can see that we're out in Harry. We're actually heading to Ludlow for a day out before Christmas. Yeah. We like to get out, then we go. Jem want to have a look around the shops. There's quite a few independent shops around there. Yeah, if you
ever get the chance, Ludlow is a really nice place to go.
Yeah, so we're going to have, we've cooked a meal in advance. We're going to be warming that up on Harry, and we'll be having that a bit later on. Main purpose of the video is really just to wish you all a Merry Christmas. So all our subscribers and viewers, those people who have bought this Buy Me a Coffee, just a real thank you for that, and wish you all a Merry Christmas. Hope you have a fantastic time with your families.
Thank you for supporting the channel.
Yeah, I mean,
we're slowly getting there.
Well, I think that the channel's grown really well this year, actually. It's got a bit of momentum behind it. You're currently watching the winter trip of Ireland last year. We've had this debate about it, and you can give some feedback in the comments if you like. And by the way, if you've got any questions and answers, we'll do a Q&A video. Perhaps we haven't done one for ages, so drop us any questions and questions in the comments, and we'll create another video. But yeah, we've had a lot of thinking about how we put out videos, and to be honest, I've decided I'm not going to worry about it. They take 2 days to produce an episode. I'd like to get a bit of a backlog, and if we go away as we did for Ireland, we were away for 63 nights. It's going to take time to get out there, and you know what, if you're going to Ireland now, it's probably right useful because it's now winter. So it's working out well.
We've caught up on ourselves, really.
Yeah, I mean, 2024 we had 2 big trips. We had a fantastic time in Ireland, as we just said. That was 63 nights off grid. We then went to Poland, which was a shortened trip, but nonetheless a fantastic trip to Poland. It's a long way to go. We haven't shared that yet, so we've got to produce those videos. But
definitely worth going.
We'll go back again. So it's so much so we want to go back and spend a lot longer there. We only spent time in the south, really, didn't we?
Yeah.
We saw things like Auschwitz, and you like Krakow, didn't you?
Yeah.
So that's yet to be shared on the channel. So coming up next year, we'll probably go away. What do you reckon, in January? Yeah,
we're going to go away in January. We don't know for how long.
Probably to France, I think. I think we'll go across
fluid, so we can.
We've got to get back for Jane's mum, so we don't want to leave it too long. So we'll probably do maybe a 2, maybe 3 week trip, depending on time. Don't know.
Yeah.
We haven't had that discussion yet. But we'll probably go to France. I think we'll probably go into mid-France. We like France, but we've only done the north. And then we'll come back, we'll probably do some UK trips. We'll probably, in autumn, do a longer trip somewhere. We just really don't know where, really.
Yeah, we've definitely decided we need to do some trips in the UK now that we've travelled abroad and seen how good it is over there.
Yeah.
And look at the UK in different eyes now.
Yeah. Yeah.
I don't know what sort of eyes, but...
Yeah. So there's a few places in Scotland we'd like to go to, some of the remote parts, and we'll be sharing those with you. So that's sort of it. Again, so just once again, Merry Christmas.
Yeah, Happy Christmas and Happy New Year.
Have a Happy New Year, and keep watching those videos if you can. Thank you.
Thanks.